Have you ever had back pain that was so bad it forced you to crawl across the floor? I've had that kind of pain. And someone helped me a long time ago. They put the bones in my spine back in alignment. My name is Dr. Vicentin. My patients call me Dr. V, and in the last 30 plus years, I've helped over 20,000 people in this community. And I use a high-tech technique that's virtually painless. We have the highest ratings in this particular technique. And it works like magic for problems like headache, neck pain, shoulder pain, lower back pain, numbness and tingling in the arms, hands, and fingers, and numbness and tingling down the legs. We work with all insurance carriers that work with us. We specialize in accident-related care. But if you didn't have insurance, no problem. My staff is trained at finding hidden resources to help you get proper care. Chances are, if you call now, we can get you in rather quickly so you don't have to suffer anymore. Give us a call at 303-394-2273. Let's talk. That number again, 303-394-2273.